This Organized in 60 Seconds is brought to you by DC Efficiency Consulting. Reinvent the way you work.
Hi, I'm Deb Cabral, the Declutter Coach, with your Organized in 60 Seconds tip of the day. I love organizing with unexpected things we have around our home. This week's tip is to organize with magazine files. Use the files to organize items in your kitchen, such as plastic wrap and foil, and in your refrigerator for things such as yogurts and jellies. In the bathroom, corral and store all of your brushes in one as well. Magazine files come in a variety of styles, materials, and price points. Select the one that works best for what you'll be organizing. You'll be surprised what you can do with magazine files. Well, that's my tip for today. For more tips and information about the products we feature, please visit our YouTube channel. I'm Deb Cabral, the Declutter Coach, making your life easier, 60 seconds at a time.